I'm going to be giving you a new poem today. And what I'm going to ask you to do is to just look at it, scan it, get your very first impressions. I don't want you to read it. I just want you to look at it, and whatever comes into your mind, I want you to what?
Write it down.
Talk to the text, write it down, get it out. Okay, so we're just going to take about 3 minutes or so just to talk to the text, like you're looking at it from an airplane overhead. What are some of the things that jumped out at you? Harris?
A Mexican guy wrote it.
Okay, a Mexican person wrote it. How do you know that?
It says by Ricardo Sanchez.
Ricardo Sanchez. So you know that that name is probably a Hispanic name. Okay, good, good. Cindy?
It's gonna in the title, Old Man. It's like gonna be about somebody old or.
Okay. Tito?
It says old man grandfather at the second
Aha. So the word grandfather jumped out at you.
Yeah.
Ricardo?
When I saw by Ricardo,
Yeah?
I thought I said that's my name is Ricardo too.
Good. So that was a connection, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, you made a connection to yourself. Good. Anything else, Harris?
You can tell that this story's old because it says October 8, 1972.
Aha. You noticed when it was written, October 8th, 1972. Any other impressions? Anything that jumped out at you? Questions? Alejandro?
I agree with Harris because he is kind of Mexican because he says some Mexican words in it.
It's got Mexican words, like what?
Like Indio and there's tons of names that come from Mexico and all that.
Okay. We had some other evidence. What about the subtitle? Everybody see that? Remembrances. Smiles hurts sweetly. What do you think about that? Yeah.
Probably that person has like a big smile.
Who does? The author or the character in the
Character.
in the poem?
Yeah.
Okay, that he's a smiling person. Okay, that's a prediction. Jerry?
Probably somebody in the character died and like very like peacefully.
Peacefully. And that you say sweetly reminds you of peacefully. Okay, so you think it's about him dying. Cindy?
I think that it's about somebody. It says their remembrance. I think like a memory past. The thing that they remember, and what's Jerry said about he dying or something.
Okay, let's spend some real time actually reading this poem. As you're reading it, I want you to notice, what are your roadblocks? What are the things that are going to make you stop and not understand it? And I want you to notice, how do you get through that roadblock?